Very good morning, one and all. We are here for a very important event, the signing of the MOU between the Goa Police and Goa College of Engineering. It started with a program which the police department had at Goa Engineering College campus. And there was a discussion between the DG and the principal Goa College of Engineering, exploring about the possibilities of sharing the expertise. The police department has live cases of cyber threats, cyber crimes and things like that. And Goa Engineering College has got the technical expertise. So in line with that, it was discussed that to share this expertise, the police department what they have and the technical expertise what Goa Engineering College has. We thought that we would sign an MOU, and there we are today for the signing of this MOU. For this event, for this program, we have with us Honorable DG of Police, Sri Jaspal Singh, IPS, Principal of Goa College of Engineering, Dr. R.P. Lohani, and Dr. Nilesh B. Faldekar, and the HOD of the IT department, Mr. Eugene Watson, IPS, the officers of the Goa Police Department, Professor at the Goa Engineering College, Dr. Aisha Jalanri, the students of Goa Engineering College, all officers of the police department, the device team who has been coordinating this Mr. Shivram Magnanta, the program he has been coordinating with us, and the media who is all here. Okay? Once again, a warm welcome to you, and we will start with you.
सर इधर देखो, सर इधर देखो। हाँ Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Today we are privileged to sign a memorandum of understanding with Goa College of Engineering, and these memorandum of understandings receive a lot of importance in the contemporary times because technology is increasingly finding its way not only to the police department but other departments as well. For police, it has been introduced in a number of ways, whether it is CCTV technology, whether it is digital technology, whether it is communication technology, or face recognition technology, or forensic science, and determination of DNA. There are n number of areas, and now the talk is also going on of increasing the role of cybercrime because of the introduction of 5G technology, and at the same time the information technology has made advances into the voice recognition software also. Earlier it used to be that the voice was recorded on magnetic tape and then that was sent, but now it is digitally recorded and it is sent to the concerned laboratory. So that means in crime prevention and detection there are number of areas wherein the information technology or communication technology or surveillance technology is being displayed. And even in the traffic management also, intelligent traffic systems have been installed in various parts of the country. And with these MOUs, we will first conduct tabletop exercises because engineering colleges are in a better position to evaluate technology. A large number of vendors come to the police department, they make presentations, but due to the lack of know-how, we are not able to sometimes appropriately evaluate those technologies. So, with these memorandum of understandings, since we will have the technical assistance available from Goa Engineering College and for that matter other institutes, technical institutes in Goa, so that would go a long way in choosing the right kind of technology so that whatever investment is made by the police department, that pays dividend to us. Because every vendor tries to project that his technology is the best and appropriate for the problem which the police is facing. So 5G is also coming. 5G will pose its own challenges. There will be large number of devices which will be connected due to high speed and latency will be reduced. So you can immediately load anything which you want. Maybe movie can be downloaded within 5 minutes, which takes at least 2. Earlier, I remember when it was started, we used to start downloading during the night, and by the daytime, the movie was downloaded. So that means यहाँ पे 5 technology will help us also, government also, but at the same time, criminal also, copyright cases will go up, and but there will be large number of digital footprints also, because Internet of Things would also be facilitated. Things would start talking to each other. From an information society, we will come back to the Internet of Things, Internet of Value, because number of digital payments have also been started. Most of the digital frauds are taking place on digital wallets and on UPI interface, and even credit card frauds, debit card frauds, because the underlying technology sometimes is not known to police, and what kind of queries to be raised to the concerned department. In those cases, definitely engineering college staff will send us required assistance, because sometimes a sub-inspector of investigation or a police officer may not be able to understand what should I ask from the National Payment Corporation of India, which is the owner of UPI, or what should I ask from a website poster who goes to different kinds of websites. So those queries would be most appropriately framed with the help of the engineering staff because they understand the underlying technology. We may not understand the underlying technology, we may have the legal instrument with us, but the technical know-how would be readily available because earlier, since there was no memorandum of understanding, but with this there would be mutual assistance. Supposing they want to understand police processes, if they want some engineering college students wants to do a project about digitalization of police processes, so they will definitely approach us as a project and we can suggest them that these are the areas where there are gaps existing and these like e-paper office, there should be elimination of papers because that would also have positive impact on development. So there are any number of programs whereby you can start the e-office. E-office means that you don't have to process anything on paper. You just have to type it on computer, send it to the next party, then to the next party. So these areas also the engineering college can extend us assistance. So with these words, I thank you very much for the principal and his faculty members who have taken time out, and also to my media friends. They have always been very helpful to us in extending to the public what we have been doing. They have both been critical and appreciative of the work because both kinds of processes are required to improve our work. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Very good afternoon. Really thankful to the DG for helping us getting this support from instrument in interacting with us and in particular with me. See that today we are having the meeting. And I am very pleased that this MOU is at national level or with any national institute in the country. The same MOU we have with Goemkarponn. Whatever the national institutes can deliver, with proud I can say that Goemkarponn is in this position to deliver the same. As told that there is interaction, we really had a collaboration with police. Our faculty members do come as an expert for evaluating the technical bits which are put to the police department. So now it is on paper a clear collaboration which exists between two governments. Naturally, it will help my faculty members also to learn the real case studies. We may be knowing the underlying technology, but when it really comes to the real practical application, this will be a real learning for the faculty members, which in turn will help the students and my Goan students in particular. Also, whatever technology which we are talking about, the tools will be available with us. We have the tools, the students are doing the project, but it will be very much useful when the student performs as a project for which the department has really come forth. In fact, I should have when we talk about communication, we are looking for a scenario when we have drones also introduced in our system, and Goemkarponn is really trying hard to look for some sort of drone training institute. The government is really very supportive. If it really works, then I think the real integration of communication with information technology, Internet of Things will really take up to the next level, the next challenge what we have to face. We will be ready to handle this. My IT department, under the leadership of English condition, and Dr. Aisha will really speak to it that the required things which are penned down in the MOU are really used in letter and spirit, as well as the computer department, the electronics and telecommunication department, the chemical department, for that matter, the civil engineering department. All my departments will really be very much happy to integrate and to see that how the rate of crime is reduced, how fast the things deliver, how best the justice is done, and how good we can do for the society. But sir has told about the traffic management. I am very confident that with the 5G technology coming in, and the civil engineering department and electronics and telecommunication department coming together with an integration force, I think the problem of road accidents, rash running can really be minimized, and we will have a better life in the state of Goa. And once again, thanks the fuel department, the chemical engineering department, computer department, in particular, Goa Corporation, the outfit of technical education, government of Goa, and my friends in the media, who has also supported Goa Corporation in portraying the real good things which we are doing at Goa Corporation. Once again, thank you very much for your time. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, that's all. Yeah. Yeah.
The question should be confined to this.
So when you talk about this cyber security thing, so what could be this basically when you talk about whatever you accept, so what could be the main role? Which crimes, is it only on cyber crimes or any other crimes? Whenever you are necessarily this what is the information
Basically, what necessitates signing of these MOUs? As of now, police doesn't have a technical power. Right? It is an other department. Because as a general police officer, they may be MSc, they may be BSc, but they cannot be recruiting because they are BSc or engineers or. But with the induction of technology in other processes, like digital payments. Earlier, you are supposed to go to the bank, take your check along with you, deposit the check and get the payment. But now, you are not aware who is on the other side. जिसको आप पेमेंट कर रहे हैं, is he the real person? Or sometimes you get a message, you click on that message, and then OTP will come, and then you share that OTP with that person. So with these kinds of UPI interface, digital wallets, and digital payments, the digital frauds have gone. But after all, there is an underlying technology behind the digital payment system, NPCI or UPI interface. So sometimes our IOs are not able to understand who are the players behind these technological process. हमें किसको क्या लिखना चाहिए? That thing can be better trained by them because they understand the technology within that. Because it is an engineering college, there is a department of communication technology, electronics and communication, IT department is there, chemical department is there. So because now it is going to be convergence of technology, mechanical, electronics, electrical, they get converged into Internet of Things. So supposing somebody says that मेरे मीटर का बिल इतना आ गया, because meter is online, but sometimes make a complaint कि वो किसी ने बीच में से उसको हैक करके तो ये चीजें नहीं की हैं. जब हैकिंग आ जाएगा तो वो कंप्लेंट पुलिस को ही करेगा. जैसे कि अभी होटलों की वेबसाइट्स या बैंक का कोई चीज हैक हो जाता है तो वो then first responder is always the police department, and then police department takes assistance of various other technical agencies, whether that is certain or whether that is Department of IT or engineering. That will be the benefit because would be kind of synergy between the academia and the police department, and they will be able to provide us essential inputs on how to go about cracking this.
This will be only as far as payment is concerned, or other online websites. Like if you see Facebook, then if you see other online, there are the number of items which are being sold. Then later the concerned person confirmed that there was nothing as such. You know, Facebook number of incidents, many women people have been done.
Every social media platform has a nodal officer contact. Whenever we need any information, those nodal officers are contacted, and with the new rules, with the amendment of the military rules, we have also appointed a compliance officer, nodal officer and compliance officer. In case they do not respond to us within this stipulated period, then there can be penalties also. So that system is already in place. But what we need to say was our person can be better trained in appreciating the technology. After all, I digital tape है, जैसे कि दिल्ली में बहुत सारे ऐसे केसेस आए कि जो मेट्रो की टिकट होती है, अगर आपने किसी का क्रेडिट कार्ड नंबर या डेबिट कार्ड नंबर ले जाए और आपको उसका पिन भी पता लग गया, उसी टिकट को ही आप थ्रू कार्ड रीडर और कार्ड राइटर, डिजिटल कार्ड रीडर एंड राइटर होता है, उसको आप क्रेडिट कार्ड या डेबिट कार्ड में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं आफ्टर राइटिंग दैट डाटा, एंड देन यू कैन यूज इट एज मच एज यू कैन. तो इस तरह की भी चीज़ें, तो अगर वो उसको पता रहेगा कि मैग्नेटिक टेप के ऐसे क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होते हैं, तो बेटर एप्रिशिएट कर सकते हैं.
सर, अभी आपने बोल दिया कि 5G सर्विसेज चालू होने से साइबर क्राइम में बढ़ोतरी होगी, तो पुलिस के लिए चैलेंजेस एक रहेगा, क्या कहना चाहिए?
देखिए, उसमें हमने एक आइडियाथन किया सर, बिट्स पे लाने को. आइडियाथन का मतलब होता है कि सिंस दिस टेक्नोलॉजी इज नॉट फुली एप्लीकेबल, इट इज इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ बीइंग अप्लाइड, तो ऐसे कौन से एरियाज बनेंगे जहाँ पे हमें प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है एज लॉ एनफोर्समेंट. इसमें अब कई चीज़ें ऐसी हैं जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन में हमें हेल्प भी करेंगी विद द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ 5G टेक्नोलॉजी. प्लस देयर विल बी लार्जर फुटप्रिंट्स, जो आपका कंट्रोल स्टेशन कवर होता है, देयर विल बी लार्ज नंबर ऑफ टावर्स. अभी आपको कई बार प्रॉब्लम आती है, ओवरलैपिंग की प्रॉब्लम आती है. दीज आर टेक्निकल इश्यूज, बट पैराफ्रेजिंग दिस आई कैन से इससे फोर्स क्राइम बढ़ेगा, बिकॉज जो रेंज होगा डिवाइसेस का वो बढ़ जाएगा. अभी आपका मोबाइल है, लैपटॉप है और आईपॉड है आपका, वो डिजिटल पे है. जब 5G आ जाएगा तो नंबर ऑफ डिवाइसेस इंटरकनेक्टेड विद द इंटरनेट विल बी very large. Almost every your refrigerator, your electrical bill, your meter, water meter, all the, but that is future. अभी ये है कि 5G से जो आपकी मोबाइल्स हैं, डिजिटल डिवाइसेस हैं, जब भी कन्वीनियंस होती है कोई चीज़ की, तो लोग उस चीज़ को ज़्यादा खरीद लेंगे. पहले पिक्चर देखने हॉल में क्यों जाना, अपने लैपटॉप पे देख लेंगे, 5 मिनट लगता है डाउनलोड करने में. इस तरह की बहुत सारी, नेटफ्लिक्स के भी फ्रॉड होते हैं. नेटफ्लिक्स ने कह दिया कि हमारा वो सब्सक्राइबर नहीं था, लेकिन हमारी पिक्चरें डाउनलोड हो गई. इस तरह के बहुत सारे, OLX पे किसी ने कोई चीज़ डाली, बहुत सारे लोग आर्मी मैन बन के लोगों को चीट कर रहे हैं. इस तरह से ई-कॉमर्स की वजह से भी डिजिटल फ्रॉड्स बढ़े हैं और डिजिटल पेमेंट्स भी बढ़े हैं.
Why we have always said that we are much more better than whoever does this.
देखिए, ऐसा है, वो अपना 24/7 उसी के बारे में सोच रहा है. हमारा आयोग उसको रिस्पॉन्ड कर रहा है इस सारी सिचुएशन. हमें तो नहीं पता है, माइंड रीडर नहीं है कि कौन बंदा कहाँ क्या डिजिटल फ्रॉड ढूंढ रहा है किसी स्टूडेंट में या वेबसाइट में, या उसके बिहाइंड जो कोड है.
तो किसी कॉलेज से
नहीं, उसमें कॉलेज में भी जरूरी नहीं है. देयर आर मैट्रिकुलेट्स, देयर आर मिडिल पास पीपल आल्सो हु हैव बीन कमिटिंग तो उसकी प्रोसेस में एफिशिएंसी है.
So how many cases do you get in row of cyber crime on 1930 maybe or that replying or otherwise?
ऑन द एवरेज 10 कॉल्स आती हैं बट दे कैनॉट बी ट्रांसलेटेड टू साइबर क्राइम. इसमें बहुत सारे दूसरे हैं जो हमारा नेशनल साइबर क्राइम पोर्टल है एनएचए ने रन किया है. उसमें पीपल अंडरस्टैंड एज इफ दे कैन रिपोर्ट एनी ऑफेंस. वैसे तो थाउजेंड्स में उसमें कंप्लेंट आती है बट 1-2% ही इसमें डिजिटल.
अभी भी एडवर्टाइजमेंट साइट में और
अभी हमने जो लेटेस्ट इम्प्रूव करें तो इसके बाद इससे पहले हमने आईआईटी के साथ MOU साइन किया और फिर बिट्स पिलानी के साथ हमारा MOU.
how many like months you will take to implement it and all those technical
देखिए MOU का मतलब है like supposing we have come across an offense जिसमें हमें क्लियरली पता नहीं चल रहा कि what technology, what digital device has been used या उसका IP नंबर जो है वो हमें बिकॉज इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में IT डिपार्टमेंट डे इन एंड डे आउट जो चीज़ें बता रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स को, तो हम लोग उनकी अब वी कैन कॉन्फिडेंटली वॉक इन टू द इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज एंड आस्क द कंसर्न पर्सन. ये चीज़ें और ऐसे पहले जो हमने MOU साइन किए उसमें हमें IIT से भी और बिट्स पिलानी के भी इवन इनफॉर्मली और इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज वालों ने भी